Good morning, mga sipat. Now, mga sipat, I have something to introduce to you today, mga sipat. Now, mga sipat, someone sponsored me, mga sipat, a very good and a very big chocolate, mga sipat. Chocolate, mga sipat. This is my favorite, mga sipat. Mga chocolate, mga sipat. Now, mga sipat, I cannot believe, mga sipat, I cannot fathom my happiness, mga sipat, giving me this mga cocoa fruit nut chocolate, mga sipat. This is very delicious, mga kasipat. And this is the original, mga kasipat, chocolate in the world, mga kasipat. And it is the milk cocoa fruit nut, mga kasipat. Let's taste, mga kasipat, how sweet this is, mga kasipat. How delicious this is, mga kasipat. How delicious this is. How delicious it is. It is very kasipat. You know what, mga kasipat, English is very hard in the Philippines, mga kasipat. That's why we need to practice English in a very, very nice way. Very nice way. Let's see how to open this, mga kasipat. Wait. Yes, I'm opening it already. Wow. A big chocolate, mga kasipat. Let's see, mga kasipat. Oh, if what is the design of this chocolate, mga kasipat? Let's see if this is. Let's try if this is delicious, mga kasipat. Wow. It is being put in a very large container, mga kasipat. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Let's taste, mga kasipat, if it tastes good, mga kasipat, ha? Wow. The best, mga kasipat. The taste, mga kasipat, is very delicious. It's not that so sweet, mga kasipat. No. The twist is, the sweetness is very middle, mga kasipat. It's very sweet. This is the best. A black chocolate, mga kasipat. That is the best, mga kasipat. You can eat this, mga kasipat, oh. If only, mga kasipat, you are near, I will give it all to you, mga kasipat, oh. Kaya, mga kasipat, a big chocolate. Very delicious. And it is being sponsored by someone to me, mga kasipat. Thank you for the one who sponsored this chocolate, ha. Thank you so much. Thank you for always following my mga videos and giving me this such kind of gift, mga kasipat. Very delicious, mga kasipat. Wow. The sweetness, mga kasipat, it complements with the other, mga kasipat. The ingredients, mga kasipat, complements with each other. Very delicious. Not so sweet. Very savory in your mouth, mga kasipat. Sabi, sa lami kayo. I feel, mga kasipat. Sorry, bye-bye.